Hello everybody, welcome to my nookery. This is where I do all my knitting and my crocheting and my videos too. I hope you're all well. I want to welcome all my new subscribers and also welcome to all my long-standing subscribers. Thank you for coming back. I hope all is well. And today I have a sock yarn giveaway. I do this every month. I started it towards the end of last year and I'm planning on continue doing it this year as I am continuing on with the Sock It To Me 2023. And so if you make socks, please email me a photograph and tell me who the pattern is, whose pattern you've used, the needle size and what yarn you've used, and I will make a slideshow. And at the last Thursday of every month I do a roundup because I show you my socks and I'll show you all your socks as well. And I'll also put in the description box below of the video, I will put a link to your channel. And so I'm giving you a shout out as well. So if you do make socks, think about it and let's help each other continue growing our chain in the fibre community. So for today's challenge, not challenge, giveaway, I have got a skein of Stylecraft Head Over Heels Walk in Nature sock yarn. It is called a Promenade and it is 75% superwash wool and 25% polyamide, 396 meters, 433 yards, and there's enough here to make a pair of socks, guys. So you get that. You get a pair of 2.5mm circular needles. They're the 9-inch ones, and I always use 9-inch circulars when I'm making my socks. And you'll also get some light bulb stitch markers. So that is the giveaway. So what have you got to write in this? How about socks? S-O-C-K-S. I'll put it here. So put socks in your comment. Don't forget to give a thumbs up as well, guys. And you have to be a subscriber of my channel. You have to be 18 years and over. All the information is in the description box below. It is worldwide, guys. All my giveaways are worldwide. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. These are things that I have purchased myself. There's a link there for you to be able to make your who you're subscribed to public, so I can actually see that you are subscribed to me. If I don't see that you're subscribed and you picked, I'll have to pick another winner because I really do need to see that you are subscribed to me, guys. Okay. And the sock yarn giveaway only runs for a week, so it's Tuesday the 10th it starts and it closes on the Wednesday the 18th, and the winner will be announced on the 19th. I'll put all the information in the description box below. Always check out the description boxes when you watch videos, guys, because there could be some good information in there for you, which not only helps you, but there could be links to other channels that you might enjoy watching too. So that is all from me for today. Thank you all so very much for being here and for being part of my growing YouTube channel, and for that I do appreciate each and every one of you being here. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you, and until the next video, bye bye for now.